Alright, Lydia's apparently starting without us.
Elmo!
Yeah, Elmo. Elmo wrapping paper.
More Elmo.
Lydia, did anyone tell you you could open that, or are you just going, girl? Good job.
What is it? What is it?
Book!
Book.
What does it say? Maybe Mommy can read that for you.
It says, I wonder who. That's you.
Lydia, can you look at Daddy?
Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, it's a flip book.
Caterpillar. Alligator.
Oh!
Oh. You want to look at it other way? Uh-huh.
Evan, you're doing a good job with that paper.
Alligator. Okay, next page. You have to be kind of careful with this book. Alright.
Is that a different book he's opening?
Elephant. Cat. What's that? Snail.
Here, Evan. Grab right here. You grab right here and rip. Oh, good job.
Oh, don't push that one.
Oh, what does your book say? Maybe Mommy can read it for you.
Secrets of the Apple Tree.
Book. Book.
What is it, Evan? A ghost. All we have to do is get you back.
Hey, can we take your shoes off, buddy?
No?
Do you want to open your other presents?
Oh, careful, careful. Don't push it. Okay.
Lydia, do you want to open another present? Here, come open this present.
Yeah, open this one.
Evan, Lydia's a little more aggressive. Good job. Good job, girl. Cookie Monster! What is it, Lydia? I like how she throws the wrapping paper.
Abby!
Abby! Abby Cadabby.
Let's get Evan some wrapping paper. What is it, Evan?
Lydia, what is it?
What is it?
What is it? Lydia, do you see what it is? Look at the picture. What is it?
It's something.
Something.
Elmo!
Yep, Elmo. Wrapping paper. Now, what is that, Evan? Is that a fishing game?
Is it for the bathtub?
A fishing game for the tub.
Look, fishing spell. Yay!
Evan, what is Lydia unwrapping?
What is that?
What is it? Do you know what it is? Look. Look, you sit on it. What is it? Evan. Evan, look at Daddy. Is that a potty? Evan. Lydia. Lydia, look at Daddy. Is it a potty? Is it a potty for Evan and Lydia? Yeah?
Oh, a good one.
Wow, Evan.
Mommy knows I need to put this together. Okay, I'll put that